Traditional Turkish baklava. This is also done in restaurants, but usually does it at home. Ladies with relatives on holidays. It is done when collected from spouses and friends. Plenty of walnuts in it. The dough opens very thin, very troublesome. There are more than 40 layers of dough. This baklava is hard to cook. Shredding is also difficult. Our traditional Turkish dessert baklava. She is our special Höşmerim dessert. Made on special days. Time is made in our meeting. Milk butter mixed with flour, then in a separate pan baked again from butter, sprinkled with granulated sugar and eaten. Traditional fermented and unfermented kete of our opportunities. This is fermented, this is fermented. One is eaten like a sliced, one is eaten like a cookie. Stuffed leaf wrap, stuffed Aleppo, stuffed peppers sour, it becomes spicy. Our Ankara's traditional croissant. Writing bun sleeve pastry, it's usually made with minced meat. Our sleeve pastry is there. This is our cheese noodles. Noodles are boiled and left slightly juicy. Cheese and onions are decorated with parsley and eaten. Butter is burned on it. This is our flour halva. Flour roasted milk in one pot. Butter sugar is boiled and poured on it. Sprinkled walnuts cheerfully eaten. This is our Tirit dish. Stale village loaf under the bread slices, thin. Boiled meat on eggplant and fenugreek. A sauce is made with the egg, poured on it, eaten hot.